Well, here we go. Water still pouring down. Just starting to come into the garage now. Nothing I can do to stop it, obviously, just completely powerless.